Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Today I'm going to be making my version of the Kris Kringle Cookie from Gideon's Bakehouse. This is a copycat recipe that I came up with. It's probably not going to be quite as good as Gideon's, but you can still approximate the flavors for a pretty decent price and fairly easily. So let's get into it. Here's what you need for this recipe. 1 egg at room temperature, 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3 tablespoons of vegetable shortening, 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla bean puree, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of table salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 1/2 cups of white chocolate chips, separated, and sanding sugar for topping. Place the butter, shortening, and brown sugar in a mixing bowl and cream it together with a mixer. That just means beat it up. Then add the egg and vanilla puree and beat it again. Add baking soda, salt, instant coffee, flour, and beat again. The batter should start taking place about now. So scrape down the sides with a spatula and fold in 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Next, line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Then divide the dough in half, and then each half into thirds. Basically, you're going to divide your dough into 6 parts because we're going to make 6 cookies. Take 1/6 of that dough and roll it in your hands until you form a ball. Then make that ball slightly taller than wide and place it on the cookie sheet. Repeat for the rest of the dough, and you should have 6 dough balls ready to go. And then you take that dough, put it in the fridge, and wait 1 hour. Yeah, I know that kind of stinks. You gotta wait an hour, but it's necessary. Toward the end of that hour, though, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Once it's preheated to 325 degrees and your hour is up, take your dough out of the refrigerator and bake it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes on the top rack. Once the cookies are done, go ahead and take them out of the oven and slightly flatten them with the back of a spoon. Then take some of the reserved white chocolate chips and press them down into the cookie. Repeat for each cookie. Finally, sprinkle the sanding sugar on top. So how does it taste? You can hear the sanding sugar falling off. That's okay, there's still plenty more there. The cookies are very rich and moist, and you get a complex flavor on it because of the instant coffee. And you can really taste the vanilla in there as well. And the white chocolate smooths everything out. And then you have the nice little crunch, change in texture from the sanding sugar. Oh, that's great. I really like that. So that's my version of the Kris Kringle Cookie from Gideon's Bakehouse. Hope you enjoy it. I live it. I love it. I'm here for it. All right. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. Happy holidays. Have a great one. Bye-bye.